What's going on, y'all? If you hear that, that's thunder. It's fixing to rain. But anyhow, I want to show you guys kind of an update of what I've done with my barrel house cooker. If you remember, about a month or so ago, I did a brisket on my barrel house cooker and it didn't quite fit. So this is what I did. I'm going to show you guys real quick. Okay, so starting from the bottom, I put 4 new caster wheels on here. I put 2 locking ones, one on this side, one on that side, and one on this side. Barrel house cooker then in turn sent me a new stainless steel pan, charcoal pan. Because the other one, hold on, I'll show you the other one. So this right here is the other charcoal pan. I only used it a few times and it got rusted. So if y'all get a barrel house cooker, I believe it's an upgrade to get the stainless steel ring here. I'd highly suggest getting the stainless steel ring. I'm sorry, this is the extension plate. I paid for this. And then this right here is the stainless steel charcoal basket right here. They sent me this all out new. So this is all new, and then this is the extension plate to actually make your barrel house cooker even longer so you can put more stuff in it. And then coming up here, I relocated the barrel house cooker temp gauge from the lid, and I put it right here. Of course, there's a barrel house cooker name right there. It's currently raining, so this is kind of doing this in the rain. Okay, and then coming up here, since I don't need these holes no more, I went ahead and I got a Wsm Smoky Mountain rubber grommet. I got the Wsm Smoky Mountain rubber grommet, and I put it into one of these vent holes right here. And now with these vent holes, so that now that I can kill the temperature after I get done smoking, I got these magnets, and that's going to cover up over the holes. So now I'll be able to kill the stuff out of the charcoals and lower the temps. Now we're moving over here to the back. If you notice this is a Wsm Smoky Mountain dome lid, and then this is a really cool addition to it. This is a hinge for the Wsm Smoky Mountain lid, and I put it for the barrel house cooker. And this right here comes from unknownbarbecue.com. Come over here. Barrel House has sent me the new washer kit for the handles. Keep those on, which is really cool. And here is the best part. Here we go. All right, then coming in here, I got a Gateway drum extended rack. This here is a big green egg felt gasket going around the sides here. And I also put it around here too. Now the only problem is that the gateway drum, this 18.5 inch, this is for the 30 gallon. This is for a 30 gallon drum. It was a little bit short. So what I had to do is I had to get these hooks right here. See these hooks? And I had to bend them out a little bit. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I cut some slits into the felt, into there. Cut some, see, I cut some slits in there. See? And now this rack fits nice and perfectly on here. So now going from, say, that's just that's the water pan down there. From the water pan to right here is 26 inches. If I remove the water pan, I go from just the grate down there. If I go with just that to right here, that's 31 inches. So now I'm gonna have no problem at all putting a very, very large brisket in here whatsoever. Now the only kind of problem I've run into when doing this is with this hinge here, is that it really doesn't, okay, now the lid here, it doesn't fit over, but it does fit. So what I did was, I've been waiting on this, I've been waiting now for 3 days, actually 4 days. I'm gonna be putting some more plates here. I got 3 more plates here coming in. And what the plate's gonna do, I'm gonna put these here, and it's going to fill in this gap. It's gonna push this lid forward. It's gonna fill in this gap. I'll show you exactly what I mean, hold on. Okay, so what I did is I just unloosened these screws here, giving a nice gap here, and that's what these 3 plates are going to do. It's going to fill in this gap right here. And what it's going to do is, it's going to push everything nice and tight. See it? It's going to have the lid, it's going to fit nice and tight inside here. Now I haven't run any coals in here, but I don't think I'm going to have too many leaks in here. I don't have too many leaks to worry about. I'm not really too worried about that. So instead of having these vent holes here on the side, now this is going to be obsolete. I don't need those vent holes no more. So now everything's going to be right here at the top. Now I control my damper and my flue, and all the heat's going to be controlled from right here now. And here's the Weber Smoky Mountain temp grommet, and I'm probably going to be putting maybe another temp gauge either right here or right here. I'll be putting another temp gauge. All right, so in conclusion, this is probably going to be the funnest project I've ever done when it comes to smokers. It's really got me to use my mind and use my brain. And the people at Barrel House Cooker have supported me, and have actually I've gotten a good reception from them on the changes and the upgrades that I've done. The only negative thing that I can say right now is the ring, that extension ring that this sits on top of, that raises the smoker up. It doesn't seem to be, it seems to be pretty flimsy. It's not really thick. However, it's something right now. What I do like about the people at Barrel House Cooker is they do think outside the box. I love people that think outside the box, because I think outside the box as well. And the thing is, they listen to their affiliates. They listen to their customers. They make those changes that are needed. And that is exactly what is needed in companies nowadays. You know, people actually listen and actually make the changes. So I'm going to be doing a lot of really cool cooks in here, and I have one special cook that I'm going to try to do in here, but I don't want to say what it is because I don't want somebody to steal my idea. But it's going to be huge. These changes will work on, these modifications here will work on any 30-gallon drum smoker that you have. So if you have a 30-gallon drum smoker, these will work. I don't have a 55-gallon drum, but I'm pretty sure I could probably do the same thing with a 55-gallon drum. Like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and I'll see y'all next week. Ciao.